going on, YouTube? Check it out. Personally, if you know me, I'm not one to judge people. Fuck, but I just snorted. If you know one thing about living in LA, is that fashion always changes, and I have seen some weird shit, and I mean some shit. Oh, word? You gonna have a penis carved on the side of your head? That's cool, dude. Yeah, no, so you an actual dickhead is what you telling me. Okay, that's cool. I'm not here to give you fashion advice, but check it out. Just because somebody says something's in fashion, it doesn't mean it looks good. So y'all already know what it is. LGI, son, let's get it, let's go. Here's some simple advice. Just because it looks good on someone else, it doesn't mean it looks good on you. To my beautiful bigger ladies, there are certain things you should wear, and for the love of God, you should not wear. For example, why would you wear a see-through mesh shirt? Do you realize that you are walking around looking like a bag of onions? True story, I was walking around the city of LA when I saw this linebacker woman come out of a club wearing a see-through top, and I made a what the fuck, have mercy face. When she saw my facial expression, do you know what she said to me? Excuse me, Asian boy, don't be hating on me because the bitch be looking fresh. Bitch, the only thing fresh about you is if you were caught fresh out the ocean looking like a National Geographic special. Looking like Shamu's hood rat cousin, Shamiqua, you dirty ass filthy McNasty. Why is it that every single dude in LA has to wear a V-neck? Look, I don't hate V-necks, but that shit has a limit, son. Let me ask you something. How low can your V-neck go? Do you realize that after a certain point, your V-neck just turns into a slutty dress? Jennifer Lopez looking motherfuckers. People who shouldn't wear super low V-necks. Men with breasts. And I know what you're thinking. You're thinking I'm being discriminatory. But let me tell you something. When you are going out with your girl, she should be the only one showing cleavage. Hairy men with low V-necks. Don't do it. Nobody wants to see food stuck in that Osama Bin Laden thing you call chest hair. Personally, I have labeled that shit as a code red national threat. I call it visual terrorism. Skinny jeans. My God. If you are a dude, you and Miley Cyrus should not be wearing the same set of pants. How you gonna wear flesh-colored khakis and have it be skin tight? You look like a naked Ken doll. People ask, how do you know if your jeans are too skinny? Well, why don't you ask yourself a few questions first? Does it take 15 minutes to put on your pants? Does it take 15 minutes to take off your pants? Can I see the outline of your cell phone and your keys through your pocket? Can you put cell phone and keys in your pocket? Can others see your moose knuckle and your mammal toe? Did you have to chop off your dick before you had to put on your pants? If all this is true, your shit is too skinny. At the end of the day, I understand it's about how you feel. And if you feel that that's the style that you gotta pimp, then do what you gotta do, player. But if you're not up to date in fashion, don't feel bad, because not everything in fashion looks that great in my opinion. Here's a little thing about me. I wear socks and flip-flops, and I think it's cool, right? Look. Look, see right there? It's kind of cute, right? Got a little Ninja Turtle thing going on, right? Right? Well, now I'm self-conscious. It's not. Go f yourself. What?
Why you keep fronting? Yeah.
You know the economy is bad when your life comes down to this.
God damn, dog.
This one got...
What is going on? Put a shirt on, homie.
You got no shirt on.
What's up, Iron Sheik?
But here's a little thing. Just because someone says it looks good, it doesn't mean it does. Okay, that doesn't even fucking make sense. I know what you're thinking. You thinking I'm being discriminatory. I can read. All right, don't do that.